Hey guys, Jimmy here from Gymstech. Today I've got an unboxing and quick play with the Cygnett ChargeUp Pro 20K. I picked this up off an Australian retailer, Maya, off their eBay store. Now, as you can see on here, recommended retail price is $170. Reason I bought this, Maya had dropped the price down to $118.96. eBay had also been doing a 10% off sale, so all up I paid $107.06, I think. And the cool thing with this is it's one of the battery chargers that actually supports power delivery. So if you've got one of the new MacBook Pros that charge via USB-C or Thunderbolt, or the Google Pixel or the Pixel 2 XL, this will quick charge them. As you can see on here, it outputs up to 45 watts of power from USB-C with a combined total of 63 watts. On the back, it just shows you what you get. So it comes with a 10cm USB-C to USB-A cable. Doesn't come with a USB-C, so to take advantage of the power delivery, you will need to buy a separate cable. Would have been cool if they included it in the box, but not the end of the world. Down here, as you can see, the power outputs. So the also does support Quick Charge 3.0. The USB-C does input and output of power delivery. So if you've got a charger with that's power delivery capable, you can quick charge the battery pack back up again. We'll go ahead and open it up and have a look at it. So I'll put the battery down for a second. So we've got a warranty card, quick explanation explaining what everything is, and the included USB-C to USB-A cable. Now this is a very large battery, much larger than say my Alki, which I previously purchased. So as you can see, here's the Alki. This is also rated at 20,000 milliamps, and if you place them on top of each other, you'll see that it's quite a bit wider. It is narrower because the Cygnett does use the new flat battery cells, not the older round ones that these do. On the top, so on the back, obviously you can see it does say, try to bring it into focus, Quick Charge 3.0. It's got a separate 2.1 amp USB-A port and up to 45 watts of power from the USB-C, which is power delivery capable. And you've got a little test button, which when clicked, will show you the battery indicator. So this has got the 3 dots. And now I'm not sure if it goes up to 5 or 4. I'll have to have a look at that later when I fully charge it. The material itself is like a soft touch plastic with a shiny strip at the top. You can distinguish the Quick Charge as well just by looking at it. Quick Charge has got the blue little bit of plastic in it, as where the normal one is just the grey. It's got a bit of weight to it. Probably does weigh, weight-wise, probably the same as the Alki. But like I said, it is quite a large battery. So here's my Pixel 2 XL. If I sit it over it, you see that it does stick out a little bit further. Now I do have a USB-C, well actually I've got a Thunderbolt 3 cable, so this cable would be able to take full advantage of the 45 watts. So if we plug it into the battery and then into the phone, you'll see that the phone does display charging rapidly. The battery itself also has a little green indicator showing that it's charging. So on the box itself, it does state that it can put up to 63 watts of power out simultaneously, meaning you could plug in, let's say, your MacBook, charge that via the USB-C to your Thunderbolt on the MacBook at 45 watts or thereabouts, while simultaneously, say, using the Quick Charge 3.0 plus using the other charge. So it is actually quite good. Now the battery itself, granted it's only been going for a minute or so, there is zero heat coming off it. There we go. So as you can see, the phone says charging rapidly with only 1 hour and 5 minutes till full, and it's jumped to 18% as well. So that was a quick look at the Cygnett ChargeUp Pro 20K. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Also feel free to subscribe, as I will be posting more videos in the future. Thank you.